Welcome to my channel, Dr. Yong here. Today I will show you how to get the best health of your life by unlocking the secrets of autophagy. Imagine your body as a bustling city. Just like any city, it produces waste. This waste can build up, leading to problems. In a city, garbage trucks and waste management systems work tirelessly to keep the streets clean and the environment healthy. Similarly, our bodies have their own waste management system. Without these systems, waste would accumulate, causing pollution and health hazards. In our bodies, this waste can lead to cellular damage and various health issues if not properly managed. Fortunately, our bodies have a remarkable cleaning system called autophagy. This process is like having an internal team of cleaners that work around the clock to keep our cells in top shape. Autophagy acts like the city's recycling center, breaking down and repurposing cellular waste. It ensures that damaged components are either repaired or removed, making way for new, healthy cells. This process helps our bodies stay healthy and function optimally. Regular exercise and a balanced diet can enhance autophagy, contributing to better overall health. Think of it this way. As we age, our cells accumulate damaged proteins and other debris. This cellular junk can lead to inflammation and contribute to various health issues. Over time, this buildup can impair cellular function and accelerate the aging process. But autophagy steps in to clear out this clutter, promoting cellular rejuvenation and overall well-being. This cellular junk can lead to inflammation and contribute to various health issues. By enhancing autophagy, we can reduce inflammation and support our body's natural healing processes. Autophagy steps in to clear out this clutter, promoting cellular rejuvenation and overall well-being. It's like hitting the reset button for our cells, allowing them to function more efficiently. In essence, autophagy is your body's way of taking out the trash and giving itself a fresh start. This natural process is crucial for maintaining cellular health. By understanding how autophagy works, we can harness its power to improve our health and longevity. Embracing practices that support autophagy can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life. The concept of a fountain of youth has captivated humanity for centuries. Legends and myths from various cultures speak of magical waters that can restore youth and vitality. From the ancient Greeks to the explorers of the New World, the quest for eternal youth has been a recurring theme in human history. While we haven't discovered a magical elixir, modern science offers intriguing insights. Autophagy, a process where cells clean out damaged components, provides a glimpse into the science of aging and the potential for cellular rejuvenation. This biological mechanism is like a built-in recycling system that helps maintain cellular health. As mentioned earlier, autophagy helps clear out damaged cellular components, which accumulate as we age. This accumulation can lead to various age-related diseases and a decline in cellular function. By removing these damaged parts, autophagy helps to rejuvenate cells, making them function more efficiently. This process of cellular cleansing has profound implications for our health and lifespan. It not only helps in maintaining cellular health, but also plays a crucial role in preventing diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even cancer. By removing these harmful elements, autophagy allows our cells to function more efficiently and reduces the risk of age-related diseases. This means that our bodies can remain healthier for longer, potentially extending our health span, the period of life spent in good health. In a way, autophagy acts as a natural defense mechanism against the passage of time. It helps to slow down the aging process by keeping our cells in optimal condition, much like how regular maintenance can extend the life of a machine. Scientists are increasingly interested in the role of autophagy in promoting longevity and preventing age-related decline. Research is being conducted to understand how we can stimulate this process through diet, exercise, and potentially even medication. While research is ongoing, the potential benefits of stimulating autophagy are vast and offer exciting possibilities for improving human health span. The dream of a fountain of youth may not be so far-fetched after all, as we unlock the secrets of our own biology. To truly appreciate the power of autophagy, it's essential to understand the science behind this intricate process. Autophagy involves a complex series of steps within our cells. Imagine tiny recycling trucks called autophagosomes roaming through your cells, collecting damaged proteins and worn-out organelles. These autophagosomes then fuse with lysosomes, which act as cellular disposal units. Inside the lysosomes, powerful enzymes break down the collected waste into reusable building blocks. These recycled materials nourish our cells and provide energy for vital processes. This elegant system of cellular renewal is constantly at work, ensuring our cells function optimally. However, certain factors like fasting and exercise can significantly enhance autophagy, boosting its cleansing effects. Fasting, in its various forms, has emerged as a potent activator of autophagy. When we fast, our bodies enter a state of energy deprivation. In response, autophagy ramps up to provide fuel and essential building blocks by recycling cellular components. Think of it as your body switching to a reserve power mode. When you deprive your cells of readily available glucose from food, they turn to internal recycling through autophagy to generate energy. This process has been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved insulin sensitivity, and even protection against neurodegenerative diseases. Different fasting methods, such as intermittent fasting, alternate day fasting, and prolonged fasting, all stimulate autophagy to varying degrees. The key is to find an approach that suits your lifestyle and health goals. Section 5. Movement as medicine, exercise, and autophagy. Just like fasting, exercise also serves as a powerful trigger for autophagy. When we engage in physical activity, we create mild stress within our bodies. This stress signals our cells to activate repair mechanisms, including autophagy. Exercise, particularly endurance exercise, has been shown to enhance autophagy in various tissues, including the muscles, liver, and brain. This increased autophagy helps to clear out damaged proteins that accumulate during exercise, promoting muscle recovery and growth. Moreover, exercise-induced autophagy contributes to the numerous health benefits associated with regular physical activity, such as improved cardiovascular health, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and enhanced cognitive function. Section 6. The Autophagy Diet, Nourishing Your Body's Cleanup Crew. While fasting and exercise are crucial activators of autophagy, the foods we consume also play a significant role. The right diet can significantly enhance the body's ability to cleanse itself, making it more efficient in removing damaged cells and regenerating new ones. A diet rich in certain nutrients can support and enhance our body's natural cleansing process. Nutrient-dense foods provide the essential vitamins and minerals that our cells need to function optimally. Foods high in antioxidants such as fruits, vegetables, and herbs help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can hinder autophagy. Antioxidants neutralize these harmful molecules, allowing autophagy to proceed without interruption. Consuming adequate protein is also essential as it provides the building blocks for new cell formation. Proteins are broken down into amino acids which are then used to repair and build tissues. However, excessive protein intake can inhibit autophagy, so moderation is key. Balancing protein intake ensures that the body can maintain autophagy without being overwhelmed by excess nutrients. Incorporating healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish, is also beneficial. These fats are not only a great source of energy, but also support cellular function and integrity. These fats provide energy and support cellular function. They are crucial for maintaining the structure of cell membranes and aiding in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. By following a balanced and nutritious diet, we can provide our bodies with the tools they need to optimize autophagy. This holistic approach to eating not only supports autophagy, but also promotes overall health and well-being. Section 7. Autophagy and disease, a complex relationship. Autophagy plays a complex and multifaceted role in various diseases. While it generally acts as a protective mechanism, its effects can vary depending on the context. For instance, research suggests that impaired autophagy may contribute to the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. In these conditions, the accumulation of misfolded proteins, which autophagy typically clears out, leads to neuronal damage. On the other hand, autophagy can sometimes be hijacked by cancer cells to fuel their growth and survival. This dual nature of autophagy highlights the need for further research to fully understand its implications in different disease states. Section 8. Incorporating autophagy into your life, practical tips. Incorporating autophagy-boosting practices into your daily life doesn't require drastic measures. Here are some practical tips. Start with intermittent fasting. Begin with a 12-hour overnight fast and gradually increase the duration as comfortable. Make exercise a regular habit. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Adopt a balanced diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods including plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Manage stress. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Remember, consistency is key. Start with small, sustainable changes and gradually build from there. Listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health conditions. Section 9. Join the Autophagy journey, a challenge and invitation. Now that you've delved into the fascinating world of autophagy, I challenge you to embark on your own journey of cellular renewal. Experiment with incorporating some of the tips discussed today into your life. Pay attention to how you feel, both physically and mentally. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below. Let's create a community of individuals empowered by the knowledge of autophagy and its potential to transform our health. Together, let's unlock the secrets of autophagy and embrace a future of vibrant well-being.